Zone Zero, from gates, wall cladding for your soffit, walls, ceilings. We got backyard fences, Zone Zero approved. Heavy duty gates, Zone Zero approved. Sliding gates with laser cut or any pattern you wanted, Zone Zero approved. Patio covers, custom made, extruded, architectural, US made, Zone Zero approved. Custom color, custom paints, wood looks, Zone Zero approved. Mailboxes, Zone Zero approved. Gates, fences, and pergola and wall cladding from any color, Zone Zero approved. Heavy duty gates we can ship out to anywhere in the US. DIY universal gates we can ship out to anywhere in the US. If you want to put plexiglass or real glass or laser cut, anywhere in the US we'll ship it out. Sliding gates and frameless gates and patio covers, automatic smart patio. This is what we call it. Why it's smart? Because it can open with a click of a button and it can close on a click of a button. Beautiful system, engineered to last. This is heavy duty gauges we're using. Heavy duty engineering, beautiful setup. You're able to do it with a remote, but you're also able to upgrade to a solar. You're also able to upgrade to a Bluetooth operation and a smart sensor where it senses the rain and it'll automatically close it. This is your ideal patio cover for Zone Zero. This is Zone Zero approved. It's full aluminum extrusion, architectural. It's massive, it looks good, and it works on a button. You want to open it? It's a click of a button, very durable. You are able to open all four, if you have a bigger patio, all four configuration at the same time. And we're able to do big spans with no post in the middle because it's custom, no limits, right? We talked about it, no limits, and that's what we mean. No limits on our patio covers. You can put different lights if you like. Beautiful setup. So now rain comes, there's a gutter system all around, takes the water, drops it in the post. Beautiful.